Goodbye to my favorite Concord tee, and hello to my new favorite, the Glenelly top.
Little disclaimer, I do still love my Concord tees, but I am really liking this new Glenelly top and dress pattern. I'm Sharon with Sharon Sews. Welcome to my channel, a channel all about sewing. The Glenelly t-shirt is the latest release from Itch to Stitch. It is a t-shirt and a dress option in the pattern. Now, I was a tester for this pattern. Itch to Stitch is one of the few pattern companies that I like all of the patterns. They fit me very well, and I'm usually willing to test the patterns when I have time. This was one of them that I signed up right away. All right, so it's a basic Raglan T-shirt is what you may be thinking, but it's not. It comes with a regular and a full bust option. Now I have a 6-inch difference between my upper bust and my full bust. That's why I need to do full bust adjustments all the time. It's got this great little square neckline. Does look a little bit, I'm looking in the mirror, looks a little bit rounded on my dress form, but square necklines are a trend right now. Have you noticed in ready to wear and online and runways? So that's a really fun little detail. The other thing, the band instructions to create that little square are superb. So good, so good. You might be tempted to skip a step or two. Please don't. You do want to do it exactly as she instructs you, and you will be so pleased with the result. The pattern also comes in sizes 00 through 20. That is a 31 1/8 inch bust to a 60-inch bust. So a wide range of sizes available. Your fabric that you're going to want to use, you want something with 50% stretch, like a cotton or polyester spandex jersey. And what else can I tell you? Oh, it has a dress option too. The dress option has a slightly raised front, so it kind of curves just a little bit, and it's gathered in the front and the back, but they stop so that you're not gathering on the sides either, where there's not excess fabric on the sides. Once I did the test version, I sewed up 2 more tops and a dress. Once you sew it the first time and you know it's gonna fit you, you make your adjustments, you can cut it out and sew it in about an hour. It's that simple. So my first one is this test garment. This is leftover fabric from another project, and that's really why I color blocked it. But this top is so great for color blocking. So now I'm gonna put each of these t-shirts on, show you really quick what they look like, and then I'll be right back.
My pink and red one here is the one that I pull out most often. It's just incredibly comfortable in the warm weather. This is a cotton spandex jersey. Oh goodness, I wish I could remember where I purchased it because I really want to purchase more. It's sewed up beautifully. It's comfortable to wear. And this is one I did a little color blocking on. Oh, how I love this color for summer. This turquoise knit is a rayon spandex jersey. It's a little bit of a heavier rayon knit. Some rayon knits can be very lightweight and they tend to lose their shape. This has really good structure to it. It does show lumps and bumps a little bit more than my red and pink one. And for some reason, I got my gathers just a little bit off in the center front of the band there, but it is just fine. This floral knit is a double brushed poly knit. This was left over from another project. I had sewn an Itch to Stitch Balboa skirt a year ago, and I sewed this top thinking that I could wear them together for kind of a faux dress look. Now this one I shortened the length of it by 2 inches so that would look better with the skirt. I will admit this one didn't have quite enough stretch to it, so it's not fitting me as nicely as some of the other ones. And double brush poly knit, I love the way it feels, but it's way too warm for the climate that I live in. Here's the dress I sewed from the pattern. Oh, how I love this dress. So comfortable, and I think it's very flattering. Now it has that nice little curve at the center front where it attaches the skirt to the bodice, kind of an empire look or even a 90s vibe. Got that square neckline, super comfortable. I will tell you, I did go up 1 size on this one because I wanted a looser fit for my dress. That's a personal preference. And I found this ITY knit at Walmart. It was one of my Walmart bundle purchases. Fabulous dress. I cannot wait to sew more.
Do you see why I love this t-shirt pattern? I think you're gonna love it too. By the way, I am wearing something that I made. This is the Amy Jumpsuit from Closet Core Patterns. I've said before I don't wear jumpsuits. This is an exception. It is before noon and currently 90 degrees. So I'm probably breaking a fashion rule because I'm obviously over the age of 30 and I have bare arms and they are no longer as toned as they used to be, and I don't care because I'm comfortable. Little bit different Friday sews this week because I really wanted to talk about this new pattern release. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I'll also leave in the comments below a link to the blog post for this top because you're going to want to see all of the tester versions. It is flattering on everyone who tested this pattern. The pattern is on sale until June 28th, 2021, which is typical with her new releases. I have an affiliate link in the description below. I would be very appreciative if you're interested in purchasing this pattern. If you use my affiliate link, there's no additional cost to you. Hey, would you do me a favor? If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Thumbs up if you liked the video. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Happy sewing. Test.